it's the adjacent side over hypotenuse. I-adjacent ke yini bakithi? Abantwana bakhumbule lokhu. Masithi adjacent suke sisho into angithi sithe opposite into ephambi kwakho. Adjacent ke into encike kuwe. Into encike kuwe njengoba wena uhleli lapha eklasini, lo ohlele eduze kwakho edeskini, lo muntu lo is seated noma uhlaliswe adjacent to you. So that is what is adjacent. So adjacent to this, you can see ukuthi leya side leya alincikile la kule angle, kodwa elincike kule angle yileli. Therefore sesiyalichaza ke nalo ukuthi adjacent wethu u-x, kodwa u-x wethu siyidivide ngeside elide. So that is the definition. Ayikho enye indlela engingachaza ngayo ngaphandle kwaleya ya. Athi nayizwa leyo nto, iside elincike kuyona i-angle ngilidivide ngeside elide. Iside elibhekwe i-angle ngilidivide ngeside elide. Sibuye size kwi-tangent. I-tangent nayo mangabe siyichaza sithi i-tangent